How to make and create Instagram video promo post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Canva and log into your account. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on create a design. Now on the search bar, search for Instagram post video. Click on it and it will take you directly to this page. Now on this page you will find many options, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to Instagram video promo, click on see all. Now after you click on see all, you will find many templates, as you can see right here. Choose one of these, for example this one, and click on it. Now you can change everything from here. As you can see, you can change the price and everything, as I said. Very easy and fast. After you finish, go here and click on download. As you can see, it's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.